Widespread anomalous activities have been reported across multiple regions of Europe. Reports include unexplained mass blackouts in urban centers, sudden weather anomalies, inconsistent with meteorological forecasts, disappearances of entire communities in remote areas, unidentified airborne phenomena detected over several national airspaces, disturbances in global positioning and communication systems. Governments across the European continent are cooperating with international agencies to investigate and contain the situation. Borders have been restricted, and airspace monitoring is active. Stay indoors, and avoid unnecessary travel. Do not approach unidentified individuals or aircraft. Remain tuned to official channels for updates and emergency instructions. Report any unusual activity to local authorities immediately.
𝐂𝐇 and George will return to Cartoon Network in an instant.
Get